The 16-foot diameter dome is our smallest shelter dome. It has a floor space of 200 square feet or 18 square meters. The center of the dome measures a little over 8.5 feet tall or 4.3 meters. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 450 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 2 to 6 hours with a crew of 2 to 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 16-foot diameter dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 4 removable round windows, 1 ventilation roll-up, 1 bay window, and a weather-tight zipper door. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features such as skylights, extra doors, windows, and wood stove setup are available. It's a perfect choice for add-on living accommodations and Airbnb rentals. In Vostu architecture, this dome enhances truth and connectivity, as well as prosperity and success. We offer deck plans for both permanent installations and nomadic lifestyles, and our team is always here to help if you have any questions.